That bird is sitting in the tree yelling at the cat. I think that's the same bird that bird be dive bombing all the cats in the neighborhood. I'm gonna try and catch that video for you too. Oh, it's almost action time. The bird versus the cat. The motherfucking bird is sitting there squawking at the cat and shit. He was about to bomb. That is the bird. That bird be dive bombing the cats.
That cat trying to get it. It just needs to jump.
But he know, because he been hit before, so he ain't really trying to jump, because that bird be pecking him. That's why the bird ain't running, because he be getting him.
Yeah, gotta look at
Uh-oh. 2-on-1.
Speaking of cats,
Uh-oh.
clap that nigga. There was 3 birds. Look.
Yo, shit, it's 3 birds now. Kitty, I think you better get out of there.
Run, nigga. Run. Go call another cat. That is fucking crazy. This is some shit to watch when you're high. Oh, put that on Facebook, Twitter. That is fucking crazy.
Finally got that shit on video. People think I be lying and shit.